Hello, everyone. I am Guyan. I reached the point where a robot can vacuum for us. Eufy, from parent company, makes solid and affordable robot vacuums that often go on sale. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Then always you can see new good quality products in my channel. Also, if you like this product, I will put the link in the description and you can buy directly. I like to tell you, Super Slim Robo Vacuum Cleaner, only 2.85 inches height, you can increase suction power up to 1300. The RoboVac 11S Max is a more powerful version of the base 11S that made it to our list of the best budget robot vacuums. The improved suction might increase noise, but it should also catch more crumbs than its standard counterpart. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed for deep cleaning. A good robot vacuum should collect everyday dirt and debris in one sweep, including clumps of pet hair, and it should be smart enough to navigate around furniture and other obstacles. We also look for apps that provide the right features, including scheduling and smart maps. Some robot vacuums double up as robot mops. Also, if you like this product, I will put the link in the description and you can buy directly, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Then always you can see new good quality products in my channel. Also, this robot can vacuums for up to 100 minutes or more on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. BoostIQ RoboVac 11S. Equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, an infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. RoboVac also automatically recharges, so it's always ready to clean. Also, you will get remote-controlled 2 AAA batteries, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Owning one of the best robot vacuums is like having a little helper that's always ready to help you clean. Okay friends, see you in next video. Have a nice day.